Hi, welcome back. In this video, you will learn to add, copy, paste, open, and close projects. If you're not on Projects tab, click on this icon, its Project tab. It will get you to this view. Now click on Add. This will open up a dialog box. Create a new project. Choose the EPS where you would like the project to fit in. Click this tab to open EPS window, so you can choose the relevant EPS. Enter the project ID and project name. Click Next. Choose project start date as July 17th. Click Next. Again Next. Again Next. And now Finish. As you can see, the road project is under Roads EPS. Let's add some more project as mentioned in the workshop. Now I will show you cut copy paste feature here. Select the project, click on copy. Now choose the EPS node where you would like to paste. Then click paste. This box is basically asking if you would like to include the details information related to the project you want to paste. Choose the options you want to copy. Click OK. OK. Now you can see the project is copied. Double click on the ID to change the text and name. Add further projects from the workshop as shown in the video. After adding all the projects, click on File from the menu bar. Click on Close All. Click Yes. Now you can see all the projects are closed. To delete a project, select the project and click Delete. Yes, you can do multiple deletion by selecting multiple projects. In order to move projects from one EPS to another, select the project, move the cursor to left until you see white paper attached to cursor. Now, left click on the mouse and drag the project to drop it at its required EPS location. Opening and closing projects. Select a project, right click on the mouse, select Open Project. Click on Projects tab. You may notice folder icon is open. This indicates project is open. You can work on a project only if it is open. You can do multiple selection and open projects like this. Activities window shows all the open projects. Other way of opening project is click on File from menu bar. Select Open Project. This will flash Open Projects window. Choose the project you wish to open and then select Open. Now let's close all the projects. In next video lesson, we will learn to set defaults to these projects. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.